You like my Arabic? Okay, so guys, let me bro, can you help me out? I started using trading business. If you're still here, I am going to go through XRP, okay? I am going to explain it in detail because I took a trade yesterday. So please be patient. Uh Cumulative chaos is the right way to trade in financial markets. Is the way to be successful and consistently profitable in trading. I advise everybody to learn. Okay, so Abdullah is telling us there's this new way of trading cumulative chaos. I don't know what this is. You guys can go ahead and I don't know if it's a I don't know if it's a scam or not. You guys can do your own research. Anyways, guys, listen. Have you tried swing trading stocks? No. And is it permissible in Islam? I don't know about stocks, guys. I think stocks are permissible as long as the company is not dealing in forbidden products like alcohol, pork, and all that stuff. So I think as long as the company is not dealing in them and these things, I think the stocks are permissible. But you do your own research, okay? This is just from my understanding. I've not seen any videos or not read about it, okay? I have not done any research. Some good guide to trade with price action. Not saying you're bad at. I need a good guide to know what tools I need because I've been puzzling. I don't really. I don't know what to. I don't know, bro. Where can I guide you to? You know. I mean, I've taught myself most of the stuff I know today. Most of the stuff. So, where do you base? I live in Kuwait, but I'm from Pakistan. Anyways, guys, listen. The first thing I'm going to start with is I want to explain to you guys what is happening with GameStop. Okay, what happened with GameStop? What happened with the big trading apps, the brokers like Robinhood, Marill, and a couple of others, and what happened with GameStop, AMC, all these stocks that were skyrocketing yesterday? What happened with them? I want to explain it to you guys, and then we'll move to crypto. Okay. The thing why I want to explain it to you guys is because I want you guys to see how heavily everything is manipulated. Okay. Do you get institutional trading opportunities every day for Forex? Depends on market. Yes, sometimes every day, sometimes once a week, sometimes 5 times a week. Okay. Depends on the market. Poor destroyed billionaires, that's what happened. Yes. But I want to explain. Okay, so you guys probably, I mean that, and a lot of Arab are learning it. It will be the future of trading. Okay, so everybody, you can research about cumulative chaos. I don't know what it is. This is the first time I'm learning about it. So, okay, so let me explain it to you guys what happened with GameStop. And then we will understand how everything is so manipulated and so fabricated, right? These big money, these big people, what they really do behind the scenes. Okay, so GameStop's stock was trading somewhere over here in the range of 45, from let's say from $20 to $45, okay, $20 to $40. And then somebody on Reddit, a user, okay, they saw that a hedge fund, a billionaire, okay, hedge fund, what they did was they took a very big short against GameStop. What that means is that that hedge fund had shorted the stock for GameStop, meaning they were selling GameStop's stocks. So the price was going to go lower because they probably invested hundreds of millions, okay, against GameStop. GameStop was going in loss already. They were planning on closing, I think, 45 of their branches across the US during this year. So, I mean, the stock was not performing that well, okay? So this person on Reddit saw that this big hedge fund had recently shorted GameStop's stock. So that person on Reddit, that user, he or she, it's probably a he, right? But that person, they came to Reddit and they said to everybody, let's join forces against this hedge fund and let's start buying GameStop's share. That's exactly what happened. Everybody came together, people started buying GameStop's stock, and the price went higher. Now, a hedge fund is shorting, is selling, but the price is going higher. What's going to happen to that hedge fund? It's going to go in loss. Okay. Now, the problem here is, how do the hedge funds, they trade stocks? Okay. Let me explain that to you. What they will do is they will go to people on these applications like Robinhood, Merrill, and all these, whatever the famous applications are for stock trading in the US. The hedge funds or the big money will go to these people. They will borrow their stock. Okay. So I am giving them, basically, I am lending them my stock. If I have, let's say they want to borrow my computer. Okay. Somebody wants to borrow my computer. The hedge fund wants my computer. I will give it to them. Okay. But it's not permanently. It's not permanent. I'm not giving it to them as their, I'm not transferring the ownership. No, I'm still the owner. I'm just lending my computer to the hedge fund. Now, let's say the hedge fund takes my computer and sells it for $1,000. Okay. And what happens is the price is going to go down. Okay. The price is going to go down. And my computer is going to be worth, let's say, $500. So they're going to buy it back. They're going to buy the computer back, my computer back, for $500. They sold it for $1,000 and they're going to buy it back for $500. So they made a profit of $500. Okay. And then they will give the computer back to me and they will keep the $500 and also pay me. They will pay me the difference. Now, what happens is if they sell my computer for $1,000 and they drive the market lower so they can buy the same computer again for much cheaper, that's where they make profit. But what happens when they sell my computer for $1,000 and instead of the price going down, the price goes to $100,000? They have to buy the computer back for $100,000 because it's in the contract. It's my computer. They can sell it, sure. They're borrowing it. Okay, at some point they have to give it back, but now they have to buy it for $100,000, where they could have bought it for $500. Okay, so what happens is they don't spend their money to buy stocks. What they do is they borrow stocks from people. Okay, and they tell them, we'll give you back the money, we'll pay you the difference. They take the stocks from people, they drive the price lower by selling the stocks. So let's say the stock was here, okay, and they sold it here, and they drive the price lower so they can buy the stock over here for a much cheaper price, and then they will drive the price higher, right? So that's how the hedge funds work. They borrow the stocks from people at this price, then they sell the people's stock. It's not their stock, it's not their shares. They drive the price lower, then they buy the same stock for much cheaper price. And then they drive the price higher and make profits. That's how it works behind the scenes. Okay? Not many people were familiar with this up until yesterday or today. I was not familiar with this because I've never dealt with stocks or shares. And so what happened is now the hedge fund sold over here and they plan to buy over here, but the stock went here. Now they have to return the stock to people. Okay, they have to return the stock to people, so they have to buy over here at this price. And now they're losing billions of money. And the hedge fund, which took the short against GameStop, they are filing for bankruptcy because they went out of money. It was worth, I think, 13 billion or something. And so now the hedge fund the firm is going out of business. That's what I read. Now, where these Robinhood and these trading applications and platforms came in is Robinhood basically said, we're not going to allow any more people to buy the GameStop stocks or shares. Instead, if you have those stocks or shares for GameStop, you can sell them on our platform. Okay, so they basically banned buying. Like, for example, let's go to Dogecoin. Last night, Dogecoin started going up. People can buy, right? People can buy here, 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 people can buy here. There's no person on this planet that can stop people from buying crypto, whether it's rising or falling. At any time, you can buy a cryptocurrency. Unless the broker, the website that you're buying from has some technical issues. The servers go down or something like that. But they cannot ban you. They cannot just remove the buying option. No. That is the whole point. Right? But these applications, they basically removed the buying option and they said you can only sell. Now what happens is the CEOs of these big applications and trading platforms, they are very good friends of these hedge funds and all these big money, obviously. So when now they are saying we're trying to protect the people, because when something is rising, there's also a lot of risk. And we don't want people to risk their money. Bro, who are you to decide what to do for the people? It's people's money. They want to risk it. Let them risk it. You are making money through commission anyways, through the transaction fees anyways. Okay? So, I mean, who are you to be so concerned and so such a big humanitarian that you want to protect people's money? No. You're trying to protect the billions that your friends are losing right now. The big money is losing right now. And I saw this billionaire's interview. He said that this is manipulation and this is wrong and this is evil. People are trying to group up against us. Bro, shut the hell up, bro. This is what you guys do. This is what the institutions do. So now the normal people are doing it. Now the normal people are familiar with your ways. Now you feel that you're attacked. No, you're not. You basically got outplayed at your own game. This is the game that you guys play. This is how you guys become billionaires. Because the CEO of Robinhood made, I think, 6.1 or 6 plus billion dollars in 2020. Okay, so it's obvious who they are trying to protect. They can play this game that they are playing, that we are trying to protect the people's money by not letting them risk, by not letting them invest in volatility. No, people make money from volatility. This is the best time to make money. Okay, people literally became millionaires yesterday by investing in Dogecoin. Even if you bought here at 2, your money was timed by 8. Okay, you bought it at 2 cents. You could have exited at 8 cents. That's 6 times your money, 6 times your investment. Anybody who invested at 1 cent could have gotten out at 8 cents. That's 8 times your money, almost 9. People literally became millionaires yesterday because of the freedom in crypto. You can buy anytime you want. Even people who bought at 7 cents made money. Even people who bought at 8 cents made money. So, I mean, you guys see how heavily this market is manipulated. It's insane to me. This shows you that the biggest scammers are the biggest money, actually. Do you think Doggy will hit 9 cents or more? Look, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, okay? Dogecoin was abandoned by their developers, okay? It was only made for fun. It has no use, no practical use. It has no developing team that is consistently sitting at an office and working to make the coin better, to make the project better. No. Okay? So whether it's going to hit 9 cents or 10 cents or $1, I have no idea. But this was definitely a one-time move. That's what I think. Now, if the people, now some people are going to wake up later. Some people are going to know about this later on. Okay. So if they decide to join in and still drive the price higher, that's also a possibility. Okay. But all I can say is that the smart people, the smart investors, they got out at 7 cents, at 8 cents. The smart people. Okay. People who had invested here, they got out over here because they knew that, you know, the people who knew how crypto works, they knew that, sure, the volume cap is so much and the market cap is crossing all these big coins like Litecoin and all that. But they also understood that you have to look at the project itself, you know. How is it beneficial to the crypto community? It's just a meme, basically. So, I mean, whether it's going to go higher or not, I have no idea. But I do know one thing, that at some point it is going to have to come back and visit these all-time highs, right? It always does. But it can also drop down and visit the all-time lows as well. I guess we'll see. Because I see a pump over here as well. Okay. And this was about 200% something, right? This was 84%. Okay, so we saw a pump over here as well, about 75%. But this pump was about, it was about 286%. So look, yeah, this one was about 286%, but this pump was just, I mean, 1000+%. So is there a possibility that it can happen again? Yes. Just looking at the previous data, just looking at the past, it's more than a possibility because you guys can see every now and then Dogecoin has done this over here, and then last night, and then also in the past. So yes, it has definitely the potential, but will it last in the longer run? That's something I cannot answer because I just told you what I think about Dogecoin. Okay, now let me show you guys something that is way more important than this. How do you set up stop loss on Binance? As you said, you only swap to cryptos instead of spot. No, I use only spot. I use only spot trading. The rich profited off of this and Gamestop more than the average person. They knew what was going to. Exactly, they know what's going to happen. But still, a couple of people. I mean, Dogecoin was trending on Twitter last night. You guys could see people even who invested $100 made a lot of money. $900, $800. That is insane. That is insane to me how that just happened in a matter of a couple of hours. That is insane, guys. I think it will hit 10 cents. Yeah, me too. I think because more people are going to join later on, I think it's definitely going to hit 9 or 10. And that will be a good point to get out of the market. But it's up to you. Okay, let me show you guys what happened. First, let me show you guys this. Okay. Let me show you guys this. I showed this on my stream yesterday, by the way. Okay. Okay. Do you guys see this picture? Do you guys see this picture? January 26th. And today's 29th. Do you guys see this picture? XRP versus the US dollar. Imagine $1 worth. Damn. If it hits $1, I'm not going to trade anything else ever again. I'm just going to become a millionaire. I'm just kidding, by the way. Okay. Do you guys see this picture of XRP? Taken on January 26th. And XRP versus US dollar. Do you guys see the picture? Oh, sorry, my bad. Can everybody see this? Taken by me, of course. Lead Dogger, that's me on Trading View. Can everybody see this picture? Why is nobody answering, bro? Is my stream lagging, guys? Is there a delay? Because I don't normally keep delay in my stream. Okay. Don't sell when people sell is when people is sleeping. And yeah, I know, bro. Andres, Andres. I don't know what's your name, bro. I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm not gonna sell it. Okay, so relax. Okay. So what I saw over here on the 26th, okay, is that XRP was in this area right here. It was doing this move. But what I saw was XRP was falling down, and then we saw a lot of selling volume coming over here. And then instead of the market continuing lower, it reversed, created new higher high, came back down a lower for a little bit, and created again a new higher high, broke this high. How many times have you guys seen this thing again and again on my channel? Okay, the price, and I want to tell you guys something. I used to be a good seller. That means I used to look for more selling setups. And the irony is that I never thought I would become a good buyer, but for the past couple of months, all I've been doing is I've been buying. Especially since I've gone into crypto, all I can do is buy at a cheaper price. And that's just insane to me because I never thought I would become a good buyer. Anyways, so XRP was doing this. Okay, XRP was doing this. This was my entry zone. This whole orange or off-white rectangle. This whole zone was my buying zone. You guys can see. My stop loss would be here. But when I say stop loss, it doesn't mean that if it goes below this, I'm gonna sell my crypto. No, I hold my crypto. Okay, because at some time it is probably going to reverse, even if my analysis is wrong. I'm not placing trades on a MetaTrader. My trade cannot hit stop loss. Either I can sell it manually, physically, or I can just hold on to my crypto. So whenever I buy crypto in this zone, I'm just probably gonna hold it. If it goes below this, then I might sell it, or I'll just keep on holding it. Okay. If it's a if it's a big loss, if there's a stop loss is going to be big, then I might sell it. But if it's a stop loss like this one, just a couple of satoshis, couple of pips, okay, if you don't understand, couple of pips, then I might hold it. Okay, so have you guys, okay, you guys have seen this, right? Now let me show you what actually happened with XRP and how I analyzed it. And then I'll explain it to you guys over there, okay? Okay, there we go. 1 second. What? No, I just closed it. Damn. 1 second, guys. Okay, XRP. Okay. So I want to show you guys something, right? First, let me make it visible to you guys. Okay, there we go. Let me make my camera. Oh, damn it. 1 second. Okay, there we go. Let me make my camera a bit smaller so you guys can see better. There we go. Okay, so why did I decide to buy XRP over here? After this, let me show you guys the selling volume that came in over here. You guys see that selling volume? And right after that selling volume right here, price started to create new higher highs, right? If the market is selling and the selling volume and the selling pressure is so strong, shouldn't it just continue lower instead of reversing and creating new higher highs and higher lows? Okay, so this is market manipulation, right? This is a fake move. And so in the process, the market grabbed a lot of liquidity, right? So the market grabbed all these lows, and people thought this was a strong support, especially this area, because you also have this strong reversal point. And so people are normally gonna think that this is a strong reversal zone, and then what happens? It breaks below that support and boom, just reverses and continues higher. So you guys can see once XRP came into that buying zone of mine, you guys can see what happened to XRP. Now, in the beginning, I was targeting this high. Okay, the highest high, previous highest high. And you guys can see that my setup was 1 to 10 risk to reward. I was risking almost 2% to gain 17%. Okay, and what ended up happening, keep your eyes on this, keep your eyes on this number, keep your eyes on this. What was initially 1 to 10 risk to reward changed into 1 to 18 risk to reward. What? That yesterday was the most insane day for me in crypto regarding Doggy and regarding XRP. What just happened? I mean, I remember buying XRP on 27th, and yesterday was, it's in front of you guys. I mean, it is so easy to make money in crypto. I mean, what should I say? I mean, in Forex, yes, I would see the setups all the time. Right, I would see the setups all the time, but it would take days, sometimes hours. If the volatility was, it was there, it would take hours. But still, in Forex, either I would lose money or I would just make profit. But over here, even if I am in a loss, I still own the cryptocurrency. I still own the asset. In the future, it can go higher and still give me profit. And when something like this happens, I mean, how do you beat this? How do you compare this to Forex, And crypto is not a big market right now. The market cap, if you go to coin market cap, it's still trading around 1 trillion. Yeah, you guys can see 1 trillion. It's still trading around 1 trillion. Crypto is 5.5 trillion US dollars per day. But you have things like these happening, and I have explained this setup so many times in my videos and in my past trades, that whenever a move like this happens, the market, instead of continuing lower, when it breaks below support, it comes back up. It comes back above the support and starts continuing higher. This is market manipulation. And you guys can see that wick. Now, why did I choose the wick? Okay, why did I not choose the whole last candle? Why did I just choose this wick? Because this whole candle is filled. Okay, it's filled. First of all, it's almost filled one quarter, you can say, by this move, and then it's filled even half over here with this move, and then its wick is also filled by the wick of this buying candle. Okay, so what is the area that is left unchecked? What is the area that's not been touched yet? It's this wick right here. And do you guys see the accuracy? I mean, sometimes my accuracy, I shock myself. If you guys go back to my videos, or if you guys go to my Instagram, where I post before and after of my analysis, sometimes my accuracy is so insane. People, if they start doubting me, I would not be shocked. I would not be surprised, because accuracy like this doesn't happen so often. I'm not. Who am I? I'm just a YouTuber, right? I started crypto trading almost 2 months ago. Okay, but how do you do this? It's simple. And somebody asked, does institutional trading work in crypto? Yes, it does. The proof is in front of you. I am doing this in front of you guys. Okay, I'm using my same old principles. You can use this as a demand zone, okay, and then your highs as a supply zone. You can use this as pure market structure. I have a video on YouTube on my channel. If you go to my channel, I have a video on YouTube, okay? It's something about 1 second. This one, simple, easy price action and market structure, in which I explain exactly how I trade, just using market structure. And this is price action and market structure. Sure, I used volume as an extra confirmation. I don't use volume. I don't need to. Okay, I can just look at this and tell you what's happening. One risking almost 2% to gain 30%. This is how people become millionaires in crypto. Now I understand. People with a lot of money, they just do this. But is there analysis like mine? I don't know. Do they analyze the markets like this? I don't know. But I am showing you how you can do it. In Forex, it's the same thing. It's the exact same story. I came from Forex. The principles that I'm applying over here, I have brought those principles from Forex. Institutional trading doesn't care. The concepts don't care if you're trading Forex, if you're trading stocks, if you're trading indices, if you're trading metals, if you're trading CFDs, if you're trading commodities, oil, if you're trading... Do you guys... There was a video once I did on oil when the crude oil crashed and went into negative prices. It reversed exactly from where I had predicted and I had analyzed. And that was my first time analyzing crude oil. Before that, I've never even looked at oil. But how did I do it? Same thing, same analysis, same technicals, same concepts, same principles. Everything is the same. All you have to do is be patient. People come into my chat and ask, should I buy right now? Is Ethereum good to buy right now? Is Bitcoin good to... I tell them, no, I don't see enough price action to tell you what to do right now. Let's go to Bitcoin. I mean, yes, over here now, this price action was a very good indication for me that yes, the market would continue higher. Why? Because as you can see, after coming to that demand zone, price basically, or the same thing as XRP, okay? Price reversed from here. Let's look at the selling volume over here. Exactly. After that strong sell, price came up, broke these highs, created new higher highs, came down, created new higher highs. So now when the price comes back to that area, of course it's going to reverse. Same thing as XRP. The exact same thing as XRP. Okay? So, I mean, and look at how much this growth was. Look at how much, 32% in Bitcoin. That is an insane number for Bitcoin. Risking almost 2%. The exact same. Now, if you want to look at Ethereum, okay. So for Ethereum, I'm looking at this zone. Do you guys see how I've marked this zone? But the doubt, I have a doubt because this wick is already filled by the next wick to it. Do you guys see that? That is the only doubt I have. But when I was analyzing Ethereum, this looked like the perfect zone for a reversal. Why? Because selling pressure came in, selling volume, okay? And then boom, market reversed and created new high highs. So this tells me that this would be a good reversal for Ethereum, okay? But I could be wrong. Don't quote me on this because this wick, like I said, it's already filled. So I'm 50-50 on this one. But for Bitcoin and XRP, it was clear as daylight. Let me read you guys' chat and some questions. Minimal capital needed to trade cryptos. What I've realized in crypto is just the same thing as Forex. If you have a lot of money, it will be easier for you to make a decent amount of money back. But if you have a little investment, then you will have to, then the profits are going to be much slower. Okay. But there's no minimal capital required for crypto. You can invest as much as you can afford to lose. Always remember that, okay? Because nothing is guaranteed. And then you can just do that over and over and over again and build your portfolio from there. You don't have to invest $100,000. You don't have to invest $50,000. You don't have to invest $25,000, $10,000, $5,000. You can start with $1,500, whatever you can afford to lose. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way, guys. Okay? Don't give up on doggy. I'm not gonna give up on doggy, bro. How do you add the volume indicator? Ayub, you go to indicators, okay, and you click in vol. You type in vol, and this one, the volume that has nothing in front of it, just the volume, not the volume oscillator, not the volti, not even if you type the whole volume. There will be, I think, others as well. Yeah, price, volume, on balance. No, just this one, just the volume alone. That's it. But the most important part, do you guys understand what I'm teaching, what I'm saying over here? Do you guys understand that? Bro, why XRP? What do you mean why XRP? Joshua, it presented a setup, a buying setup, and so I invested. Okay, you guys understand? Okay, that's good. Okay, perfect. Because my live streams, I always say this. Please upload the Forex lives. Okay, I'll try to do that. Brian, I'll try to do that. XRP is under SEC investigation. That is what I'm saying. It doesn't matter about the fundamentals, guys. It doesn't matter what's happening in the world. Okay, just look at the charts. Just look at the technicals. And let me tell you guys something. I'm not taking shots at anybody. I'm not talking shit to anybody. But when I started trading crypto, and I asked for a couple of people in my chat to suggest some crypto channels where I could learn what crypto was and how to trade crypto, I found no channels that do technical analysis like this. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it a $150 with you guys. I did not find one channel. Okay, do you hold coins? Yes. I did not find one channel. And what I found was pure shilling. Shilling is basically a word used where people are telling you to buy, keep buying, but they're not telling you directly to keep buying. They're telling you it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, so you keep buying. So basically they are also manipulating. Okay, so shilling is the word used for some people who sell you this idea that you should buy or you should sell. This is shilling. I only found shilling channels. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Okay, I don't take money from somebody. Okay, I'm not learning from somebody, so I'm gonna keep it 150 with you guys. First of all, secondly, I did not find any crypto channels who explain what crypto is, how it works. Now, of course, there are some videos. There are some really good ones. But what is decentralized finance? What are all these things that you need to know in order for you to become a very good crypto trader? I did not find a channel. So guys, I am doing my best to learn right now. And I promise you guys, my channel is going to be the one and only crypto channel where not you can only learn how to do technical analysis, forget about fundamentals and everything else. Not only that, you will also be able to learn what crypto is, how it works, and how all these terms like blockchain and on-chain analysis and off-chain and how everything works, how the technology works. One beginner comes to my channel and my channel will be enough for that person to learn everything about crypto. That is my life aim. That is my lifelong goal. Do you have to pay taxes on crypto? I don't know in the US, but no, over here, no. Where I'm living at, no. I don't think so. Do you guys in the US have to pay taxes for on crypto if you own crypto? It's an algorithm that repeats the same patterns over and over in macro and micro forms every single day. Exactly. You just have to be patient and keep an eye out. Tyler, you got a subscriber, brother. Thank you for helping us on this journey. Thank you and welcome to the channel, brother. Your support is much appreciated. What's your opinion on VeChain? What do you buy through? I buy through Binance, guys, listen up. Binance.com. First link in the description below. Every time you are buying or selling crypto, you have to pay a transaction fees on Binance.com. That transaction fees, if you want a discount, use my link to sign up. It will be the first link in the description below. You will get 20% off. Okay? 20% off your transaction fees every time you buy or sell crypto on Binance.com. Number one. Number two, my link is not available for the US people because apparently Binance has a different website for US people. It's called Binance.us. So my link will not work. My link will not work in the US. Okay, this is only for people outside the US. You have to pay taxes in US down. If you're in crypto, you probably don't need to until you take it into fiat currency. Okay. So, okay, I see. If you're into crypto, you probably don't need to until I see XRP going to 0.44. Listen, guys, XRP, February 22nd is the first time the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and Ripple representatives are going to sit face to face. They're going to have a meeting on February 22nd, and it is the first time they're going to be sitting face to face. They're going to have a meeting before their official hearing in a court. So people are saying maybe they will have some sort of settlement. Maybe they will settle the lawsuit and everything will be dropped. The charges will be dropped or anything. I don't know. February 22nd is the day XRP will either skyrocket or it will just crash. Okay, so I'm looking forward to February 22nd. Until then, I'm going to keep doing my technical analysis. Okay, I'm not gonna care about, like I said, I always care about the technicals, not fundamentals, but February 22nd could drive the price either higher or lower. Okay, so keep that in mind. Almost a month from now. Do you think Bitcoin is going to fall now? Probably not, because it's going towards the all-time highs. Also, the buying pressure is very strong. Also, Elon Musk put hashtag hashtag Bitcoin in his profile on his Twitter, in his Twitter bio. Okay, he removed everything and he put hashtag Bitcoin. So that is why the price is going insane right now, and it's probably going to continue higher. Okay, so somebody asked me what do I think about VeChain? Look, VeChain has a potential of going up, okay? But I mean, we are at 0.0, we are at 3 cents. It's probably going to take a long time, okay? And it is creating higher highs. It is creating higher highs. But like I said, the problem is that the supply, the maximum supply for these coins is too high. So it doesn't make it rare. You know, when it doesn't make it rare, the price is gonna go up slowly, okay? Unless, you know, everybody starts to, there you go, 86 billion. You know, so, I mean, it is a good project, don't get me wrong. But like I said, once you see this maximum supply, the price, yes, it will go higher, okay? Because people are gonna buy it regardless. But that is the thing, like, I mean, 86 billion people see this and they're like, it's not a rare coin, the price is not gonna move faster even if it goes higher, you know? So you need to also keep that in mind. Even if it's a good project, the price, the maximum supply definitely plays a role. It's not the only factor that matters, but yes, it plays a massive role, a major role. For example, let me show you guys some coin that has limited supply. Okay, let's go to, what coin should we look at? Something that is less than 100 million. I was looking at Royale. Royale Finance. Okay, this coin's maximum supply is 72 million. Okay, and you can see that the price is already at 0.3. It had reached 0.3, right? Did it? All-time highs. So the green one is the price, right? It reached 0.27. I thought it reached 0.3, to be honest. What? I thought it reached anyways. The problem with this coin is that they are looking for gambling investors, right? Like casinos and all that. I mean, so I don't know if a Muslim should I mean, look, the market cap is increasing definitely, but the price, I thought it had reached 0.3. I thought it reached 30 cents. Why is it showing only? So it was close. Okay, 0.28. Anyways, the thing with Royale is I don't know, I'm confused, because like I said, they're looking for investors who are in the iGaming community. iGaming is the gamblers and all that, casinos, online betting platforms. But then again, I mean, it's just a coin. You can use it for anything, The coin itself is not just made for gambling. So, I mean, I guess you could buy it even if you're a Muslim, Show YFY. Yeah, the YeFi, as I like to call it. The YeFi finance, Yearn finance. There's only 32,000, right? Or 30,000 coins. Yeah. So, I mean, look at the price. Look at this price. And it's always around this area. You guys can see it's always around 30,000, 40,000 mark. Because it's very limited coin. 30,000 people in the world can own this coin. But you guys also have to understand something you guys might not know if you're a beginner in crypto. You cannot buy these coins that are limited for a cheaper price. Why? Because there is something called ICO, initial coin offering. So when a project is launched, when a coin is in the process of launching, these companies, these developers will come forward and they will say, we will offer you this much coin for this much price. There's 3 ways you can buy these. There's 3 types of pools that are offered. Okay. But they basically, it's like a fundraising. Okay. They invite some initial investors to raise enough money by selling their coin at limited quantity or limited price, already preset price, and then they will raise the money and then they will finish their project and launch the coin. So the pre-investor will either have a very good very good edge over the rest of the people, because as soon as the coin launches, the price will go higher. Okay, if it's a limited coin, if it's a very rare coin. And so, I mean, I'll make a video on this, guys. Don't worry about that. I'll make a video on ICO and all these things, how to buy a coin when it's newly offered, and how to, there's also a risk of being scammed and all that. So I'll make a different video. Like I said, I'm still learning, and I'll make my channel all about learning so you guys can learn as well. Okay? Zcash. Do you provide signals? No, but sometimes I do share the trades that I'm looking at myself. Let's look at Zcash. Zcash was going insane the last time I looked at it. Where is it? This is Zilliqa. Zcash. Okay, so right now I can see that it is creating higher highs. It is breaking this high, so it might continue higher. But the buying opportunity was here. The same thing with XRP and Bitcoin. Why? Because it reversed from here, created a higher high, broke these previous highs, came down, created new higher highs, came to that zone, and you can see that how it reversed from there. So, I mean, you should look at these zones whenever you want to buy or sell, right? You just don't want to keep buying and blindly, okay, and keep selling also. Let's look at Litecoin. Okay, so Litecoin broke this below, and Litecoin buying zone. This one right here. Because it reversed from here, same thing, created higher highs, higher highs, came down low. I mean, it's still not in that buying zone, but yes, this is the area I would be looking at buying for Litecoin. Same thing, this is the same thing as XRP, as Bitcoin. You know, that wick is still not filled. You can see the part of the wick and the candle is filled, but this area is still left unchecked, untouched. Okay, so I have to wait until the market comes back to this area. This is as simple as that. This is how you analyze. This is how long it takes for me to analyze. That's it. Can you do you watch Muhammad Hijab? No. Who's that? Where do you think Doggy is going? I was looking at 10 cents last night, but unfortunately it didn't go there. You're welcome, Shireen. What do you think of Coinbox? Is it a scam? I have no idea what that is. Can you please check XNS? Let me first check XLM because it is already in my... Ooh, damn. Okay, so the last time I analyzed XLM, I already said that I see it coming back to this area, this zone. Now, where would be a good buying zone? It didn't really give us an opportunity to buy, you know, because there's no way I could have guessed it. Because yes, there were high highs created over here. I guess if you want to take these as an indication, but I would have liked to see a break of these highs first, and then the market come back to this area, and then I could have bought. But I mean, I do not take the setups that I do not feel 100% confident about. So XLM didn't really give us that good of a buying opportunity, you know. It did respect this area because it did create higher highs after this reversal point. You can see how good it reversed from here. But like I said, it didn't really give not my favorite type of setup, you know. I would have at least liked to see a break of these highs before it came down low. But I guess you don't always get the perfect setups. Let's look at XNS since many people are talking about that. XNS in solar. Let's look at this. I'm gonna be looking at the 1 hour time frame. Oh, is this a new coin? Because the volume is just weird. It is, right? It is a new coin. Let me check. In solar. Yeah, it is a very new coin. What is the maximum supply? 1 billion? Is a platform that was the version but I mean, if you where is the white paper of this? Okay, so it's being traded on 1, 2, 3 exchanges. Okay, so it's not being traded on a lot of exchanges. Okay, 6 months ago. What is that? This is in solar news. Okay, see all markets. Yeah, it's only being traded on 3. Okay, so I need to read about this more, you know. I need to read the white paper and all that. I need to do my research. But this is, like I said, this is 1 billion coins. I wouldn't invest in this. I would invest personally in something that has less than 100 million. That's me. Less than 100 million, that is something I would invest in. Or something like XRP. Why? Because XRP, even though it has a very huge maximum supply, you guys can see that a couple of days ago, I think 2 or 3 days ago, it partnered with Lulu Exchange. Lulu Exchange is basically this exchange where you can send money from abroad to India, right? And it also partnered with a couple of other partners, 15 partners, if I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong, it has 100 billion. If I'm not wrong, it has partnered with 15 new partners ever since the SEC lawsuit. Okay, so unless I see something that is this good of a project and has a maximum supply, then yes, I would invest in it. But other than that, I would not invest in something that has a maximum supply of, let's say, more than $1 billion. Okay, just for the sake of you guys understanding that how I invest my money. I invest only in coins that are very volatile, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and that have a low supply. Okay, so if I were to analyze this is a head and shoulders pattern, first of all. Okay, so it is definitely coming back to this area. Simple as that. If you want to buy, then sure, you could do that. If you have enough money that you can spare, that you can afford to lose, go ahead, you know. But this is a head and shoulders. And there's another coin called GMNG, Global Gaming. Okay, now this coin I was looking at, it trades on probit.com. It trades on this exchange. Okay, so when you come to this exchange and you search for, let me show you guys. Please don't ask me to sign in. Okay, so if you type in GMNG, it is trading against Ethereum. You guys can see that it also it had also created a head and shoulders pattern over here. Now this is not the picture perfect head and shoulders, but it did create a head and shoulders. It came back to where it started, and that is almost, what is that? I don't know. It's at 0.000. Okay, so this is a very, very good investing opportunity. Why? Because every time it's come back to this zone, 0.00010, it has gone back up to 0.00050. Okay, but don't listen to me. Do your own research. Go look at the past data of this coin, and you guys will understand what I'm saying. Okay, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but those who are smart enough. And now one more thing, this coin has a maximum supply of 15 billion, but it is a very good project. Why is it a very good project? Because it aims, it targets the esports community. What is esports? Call of Duty, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, Valorant, Counter-Strike. It allows you to pay. You can see over here, ranking platform for esports tournament play that offers prize money, player perks, membership benefits, and cryptocurrency rewards to a global online community of gamers. Okay? So, I mean, if it's a huge maximum supply, but it is still a good project. Oh. Since how long have we been live for? 1 hour? Perfect, because my throat is gone. Those who are old subscribers, you guys know that after some time, 1 hour of talking, my voice is gone. 1 billion supply, 100 million circulating. Yeah, just wait for the next 900 million in solars to dump the price. Yeah, that's true. I would, because it is definitely this is a head and shoulders pattern. It is coming back to this area over here, you know. So you could be patient. Check Mirror Protocol. It has a very less supply. It can go up very soon. What do you think about Mirror Protocol? Hey Makoto, thank you, bro. Let's check Mirror Protocol. What is the maximum supply? 370 million. Maximum, it says maximum supply, no data. So how do you know it has a limited 4.76? Okay, the price is pretty high, but this is the total supply. It shows total supply. It doesn't say the maximum supply. You know. So how would I know? There's also another Bancor. Let me show you guys. It's at almost $2 right now. But the problem with Bancor is, look, its maximum supply keeps changing. Okay, when I bought Bancor, it was around 93 million maximum supply. Now it's 100. The total supply and circulating supply is more than 100. I don't know. There are some projects that can keep printing cryptocurrency, like the fiat market, like the paper currency. But I mean, there are also projects like this. Okay, so make sure you do your research, because I didn't know that it could increase its maximum supply. So, but the price is still going up. So I mean, can't really complain. But you guys should. XRP just jumped. Really? No, it didn't. It's chilling where it was chilling. Breadcoin? I saw Breadcoin. What a funny name. I saw Breadcoin and I was like, what the hell is this? 88 million. Damn. But the maximum supply is not there. So, I mean, I guess they can increase their supply as well. Mobile generation providing. I mean, the price is very low for 86 million. So you could invest if you wanted to. It's not a bad investment. It's not a bad investment at all. All-time high is 3.4. All-time low is 0.4. So 4 cents. Not bad. Not bad. But I don't see the maximum supply. Doggy, 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 doggy. They add more coins and hide the total supply. Yeah, exactly. It's not a bad investment, but then again, I don't want to invest in something that can increase their maximum supply. I want to invest in rare things. Okay, I want to invest in luxury. Does update the data? Okay. I've just sold half of my Bitcoin, hoping to get back in when it drops. Otherwise, I've just screwed up. Damn. CoinGecko updates in real time. Really? Oh, I've never looked at CoinGecko. Damn, I need to look at CoinGecko because everybody talks about CoinGecko. Not many people talk about CoinMarketCap. I found bugged BTC exchanger. I posted a video about it. What? If I look at 26 Forex pairs every day, do you think I'll be able to find at least one institutional? Yes, Kamal. Yes, I already answered your question. There's always, almost always every day, an opportunity to trade institutional setup. Thanks to Crypto Albert, easiest money of my life. Okay, goodbye from my channel. CoinGecko the best? Okay, I'll start using CoinGecko. My bad, guys. 1 inch thoughts. 1 inch is definitely going higher. 1 inch is not only because it's a great project, but also because it's an exchange. It's a website which allows you to buy and sell Forex, crypto, sorry. Yeah, so I mean, even though the price is not there, but 1 inch is definitely, it's a really good project. And it was also rated amongst the highest gainers at one point. Everybody was talking about it. It was trending. It was in the trending coins. So definitely a good project. But I need to look at the chart, okay? Guys, I'm gonna go off now because my voice it's gone. But I want to show you guys something before I go. Okay. My voice is all okay, I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something. Let me show you guys. Okay. Let's look at some pictures and then I'll turn the stream off. Okay, net positions of CME Bitcoin futures by trader category. You guys, so the black line is hedge funds, the pink is asset managers, green is other, and purple or gray is non-reported. Hedge funds are shorting Bitcoin, as you guys can see over here. Okay, 1 billion, and you can see what hedge funds are doing. They are shorting Bitcoin. So people, the person who posted this picture, he was saying we need to do what we did with GameStop. And that I think Elon Musk did exactly what we did on Reddit with GameStop. I think he drove the price higher just because the hedge funds were shorting Bitcoin. Okay? I mean, this is insane. Okay, let's look at something else. Who the F is Robin Hood? Batman's son, I think. Why is he at GameStop? What? The pictures that I saw on Twitter yesterday before I went to bed, it was just hilarious. Who the F is Robin Hood? Batman's son. Batman's son, I think. Why is he at GameStop? The internet is a great place. The internet is a great place. Let's look at some other pictures. Rich people. Why don't the poor just invest their money? Poor people. Okay. Rich people. Wait, stop. That is exactly what happened with Robinhood and all these other exchanges that stopped people from, that banned people from buying the GameStop stock. That is exactly what happened yesterday. I couldn't have explained it much better. Just got a tip that Citadel reloaded their shorts before they told Robinhood to stop trading GameStop. If this is true, Ken Griffin and the Robinhood founders should be in jail. This is class warfare. So basically, Ken is telling that Citadel had already shorted the market before they told Robinhood to stop trading GME. So I mean, you guys can see, you guys can see how insane this is, The Wolf of Wall Street. This is when the doggy coin was going up. The Wolf of Wall Street. Got the screenshot. Somebody got a screenshot of GameStop's stock at 420.69. I mean, how long? Imagine that this person waited for their whole life just to take a screenshot at this number. 420, blaze it, and 69. Well, everybody knows what that number is. Come on, man. Why are you scamming? Why are you trying to scam us? Okay, let's look at some other pictures. Who bombed Pearl Harbor? Somebody's asking this woman on their TikTok, who bombed Pearl Harbor? What was the lady's reply? The bomb. Oh, what is wrong with people, bro? Damn. Robinhood stopped people from buying Doggy Coin early this morning. Not only did they stop people from buying Doggy Coin, people who had bought Doggy Coin, where the Doggy Coin was going to 8 and 9 cents, Robinhood was stopped at 7 cents. Okay, so I mean, Robinhood is done, bro. It's cancelled. It's done. Robinhood is gone. Bro, this lady who bombed the Pearl Harbor, the bomb. I mean, she's not wrong, It's a very smart answer. Let's look at some more. They were messing with it, bro. There's no doubt in my head. Robinhood tweeted at 2016, 23rd of 3rd, in March 2016. Let the people trade. GameStop. Oh, GameStop. Bro, the internet does not forgive. It does not forget and it does not forgive, okay? It's not a forgiving place at all. Damn. Damn, bro. Should I take my money in doggy out of Robinhood and go to a new app? That's what most people did. I was reading on Twitter how everybody was just... And the people who took money out of Robinhood, even if they took it out of Robinhood when they were in profit, they did not get their profit. If you go to Keemstar's profile, look at what Keemstar tweeted. He said that he basically bought and sold and got nothing. Zero. He just got his money back or something, I think. He didn't even get the profit. So I don't know what you should do, to be honest, with Robinhood, bro. Okay. A share of Jeremy, a share of GameStop stock is currently valued at $344, which means a GameStop would buy it from you for $12.75. That is true. Whenever you go to GameStop to sell something, they will basically give you the bullshit price. They will basically tell you it's worth nothing, you know. Your whatever you want to sell is basically worth nothing. Reddit, can't wait to explain this week to my therapist. Oh, I feel you, Reddit. Damn, bro. That is insane. That's some of the funniest pictures I saw yesterday before I went to bed. But Keemstar lies about everything? No, I mean, he's not gonna lie about this, because in his replies, everybody was complaining about the same thing, that they sold and it's been 2 hours, 3 hours, people are not receiving their money, people have not received their profits. So I mean, you know, a lot of people in his thread, in his replies, were saying the same thing, basically. I don't know, there's two issues. Robinhood was not updating the price. That is number one. Number two, Robinhood was not paying people. So I don't know what's going on with Robinhood. Did you watch the Webull interview? No, bro. The clearinghouses end up responsible for the investors' debt, so they have skin in the... Damn, bro. Damn. Is Dogecoin limited supply? Nah, Dogecoin has a supply of... Dogecoin has a massive supply. I think 128 billion or something. Yeah, 128 billion. 128 billion, bro, is the maximum supply of Dogecoin. Okay, guys, anyways, listen up, fellas. This is it from your boy. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Hope everybody's chilling. Hope you guys learned something. My voice is gone. I'm sorry. I have to go offline now. I'll go relax with my mother. Yesterday was one of the most beneficial days for me in crypto. Hopefully it was not the last. Much more to come. And obviously this live stream will be up. You guys can watch it as many times as you guys want. And I plan on going live, doing more live streams on YouTube, but not just related to crypto or just trading. I will maybe look at memes and we'll have a laugh together. We'll look at funny videos. Maybe a try not to laugh challenge. I'm gonna laugh at everything. Okay, I don't know, man. I find everything funny, even if it's stupid. Okay, so we'll just have a good time together. I'm trying to spread some positive vibes for those who are going something and staying at home and, you know, after a long day of work. But I'm still thinking about different ideas. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a good quality time with your mom. Thank you, Shireen. Appreciate it. And thanks, everybody. Play the Dogecoin meme. Yeah, we'll look at some memes. Okay, guys, I appreciate you guys stopping by, mom poggers. Yeah, and love you guys. Thank you for all the support. All the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys learned something from my channel, and I hope you guys are planning on staying by for a long time. Don't forget to share. Yeah, I won't, bro. Don't worry about it. And yeah, that's it, guys. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream or the next video. Peace.